Hey, Shabai, Young Vivekananda. We're dubbing a movie here. We've got this handsome hero here. Who's this handsome hero? Oh, it's me. All right. So in this scene, basically, I have finished everything. I've cut it. I have color corrected it. I have laid the SFX, which is the ambient sound. Since it's a dub version, I need to recreate the sound like office background, door opening, all that shit. I've laid everything. The only thing I need to do is lay one more dub. So in this way, I'm going to show you how to dub. System's a little slow, so I know you feel me. Is everybody got a slow system? Yeah, slow system's like a metaphor for life. All impatient, we want everything right now. So just be patient when your system freezes. You're learning something in life. Wow. Wow. Yeah. Okay, don't be this slow. Yeah, there's a limit, yeah. Switch off the alarm. Switch off the alarm. Not responding, not responding. Alright. Yeah. Music. So I looked at the scene and recorded the voiceover. I've exported the voiceover here. I'm going to grab it. Go for surgery. Maga surgery. So this movie is about how I have 3 days to lose my virginity after I contract a cancerous growth in my prostate. Shit. Okay. Yeah. Should I restart the whole thing? Fuck no. So right now I'm going to take this voiceover and put it over here. So this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to first find it. It's exported over here. Go for surgery. Yes. Okay. Cool. Yeah. Importing files. Files. We're importing some files. Hey. Files. Importing some files. Yo. Files. Importing some files. Yo. Oh. Whoa. Yo. Hey. Files. We're importing some files. Editing. Swag mera style. Film जब बनना तो script हो जाता fine. Hey. Whoa. You just laid some freestyle fire there. Oh. Files, it's actually not bad. Huh? Files, importing my files. Hey, yo. So this is my workspace, and this is where I'm gonna zoom into it. This is exactly where the dialogue is. Okay, so I'm gonna unmute. Oh shit, we gotta switch this up. Yeah. Okay. So yeah. So I can hear the dialogue here, all right, and I'm just going to place it below that. I'm going to just mute this soundtrack up because I can't really hear. I have to go for like this surgery. Oh. So I was trying to get into the right emotional state for this scene. And in this scene, I had to play a role where, when I'm talking to a girl, I'm trying to get something from her because, I'm trying to get her validation. I tried a couple of takes, wasn't getting it. Then I actually thought about one colleague who I had this for in the beginning. And just thinking about that helped me bring it to this place. That's why when I'm in life, always unconsciously, everybody is in my subconscious, so I can draw upon them for character. Whoa, focus, y'all, focus. All right. So now we gotta line this up in the right place. So let's mute this SFX first, because I do not want to be disturbed by soundtrack, yeah. So I just press this and it's muted. Nah, it's not soundtrack. Yeah, okay. Got it. Got it, son. Okay, so I'm starting. Mute this. So I'm muting the dubbing to hear what the exact places to add it. The thing is that, okay, I'm saying the thing is that there. So I'm just, hey, yellow go through. Yellow go through. Okay. So I'm saying the over there. So I'll align it here. Okay, let's test and see if it is both. Is the matching or not? I say. Okay, kind of. Okay, let's mute the actual one and just see if it's matching. I don't know exactly, so what I'm going to do is go put it full screen and see. Oh! What the fuck? You killed that shit. And no, don't get too happy. Watch it again. Okay. Go for like this. Okay, cut it over there. Because she's gonna come and tell him, let's talk more walk. Bro. Okay. Bro. 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 Okay, so if I'm cutting this, then I'll also have to cut this over here so that she's coming and interrupting him and dominating him. Yeah. Okay, don't get too happy. It's like still a little. Okay, why don't I just put like a constant gain on it? So what I'm gonna do, see, I've said the whole dialogue surgery, but what I want to do is I'm gonna go like the thing is I have to go for like this surgery, but before I complete the word surgery, I wanted to interrupt me. Now I got to fix it because while dubbing, I said the whole word surgery. Instead of going back to the dub table, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go and get a plugin called constant gain. When I take constant gain and add it there, it fades out the clip. So let's just see what this feels like. So I'll adjust it because this is a little too much. I want it just to be at the end. So Adobe has this awesome click and drag stuff kind of thing. Nah, bro, do I have to dub it again? Nah, it's not working. No. Okay, wait. Now let me switch everything back on the ambience and the SFX and everything like that. So then let's see, maybe that'll cover it up because it's the audio is getting cut very abruptly right now. Is it seeming abrupt? Fuck no. Oh, kill that shit. Oh, we epic fixers. So what I did was I didn't cut out the dialogue. So since I just cut out my scene and I'm having this shot of me, this dub is not matching this place. So I'm getting him at this shot and she's coming in and saying, let's stop Mohawk. Woo, 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 woo. Okay, should we do one more? Hell no. Okay, cool.